Hello students, welcome to my TAKEON. Today, I'm going to explain you about one of the sure questions in your public English exam paper. It will be your first questions in section A, that is reading comprehension. You should not skip the question. In this section, examiner wants to know about your IQ level as well as comprehension of the language. After giving some paragraphs, they will ask you simple questions, some words for opposite, title, or phrases, etc. So you should read the passage carefully and try to answer correctly. Two types of passages have been seen included in syllabus. Type 1, discursive passage. Type 2, case-based factual passage. Discursive passage, as the name says, it includes opinion or discussion which generally argumentative or interpretative. In this passage, 10 multiple choice questions are asked to test interference, evaluations and analysis skill of the students. These questions test vocabulary and language skill. The case-based passage. Case-based factual passage focuses completely on details or facts is called factual passage. This passage generally includes instructions, reports, and descriptions. It has 10 questions which require thorough understanding of the passage and carry 1 mark each. They include MCQs, fill in the blanks, and true or false. How can you score the maximum marks in comprehension passage? I can say that the skill of obtaining the maximum marks in this section only through practice. How much you practice, that depends your scores in this section. If you are checking such passages, you can see the questions are asked according to the paragraph sequence. They will give many paragraphs as passage and you can find out the question answer as a sequence. For example, first question's answer will be from the first 2 paragraphs. If they ask to mention the title, you can write it at last. It will help you to familiarize the passage more. Okay students, I will give you some useful tips for writing these sections. Okay, first of all, you should read the passage carefully and the reading should be very fast, very quickly. Okay, then focus on the relevant details, focus on the important details and you have to underline the important details while you are reading. Read the questions carefully and go back the passage to find its answer. The answers are generally in a logical order, so you can find out the answer very quickly. If you want to find out the vocabulary based questions, just like if you want to find out the meaning of some words, you can replace the word with the meaning. So if you find that it is the same in meaning, the answer will be correct. Finally, if you want to find out the correct option in multiple choice questions, you should go through all the options, reread the passage and you should tick the correct one. See, the incorrect options are distractors. These will very close to the answer and distract you if you are in a hurry or careless. So, you have to be very careful while doing MCQ questions. I believe today's video will help you for your exam. I will give you some model passage in my next classes. Make sure you subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.